Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. I'm going to do a review since it's been a while. I found these at the store back home in Umeå. I want to try the Warheads sodas. This one in particular is watermelon, and then we have blue raspberry and black cherry. 3 different kinds, and I'm gonna try them in order. Of course, I couldn't open this one because this one is kind of cracked. Sour melon. And it tastes more like apple, to be fair. Then I'm gonna try the blue raspberry. It smells sweet. That one is the best one so far. But then again, I do love raspberry. And then black cherry. Oh, it smells immediately like Dr. Pepper. This one is like a bit more sour Dr. Pepper. But my favorite one is the raspberry one. And then, to a big surprise, it's the black cherry one, and then the watermelon. They are quite alright. Not anything I would indulge on a regular basis. And since I can't guess any store here in this, because Steven doesn't have them anyway. But they're decent, but nothing I would indulge on a regular basis. But yeah, what do you think? Comment below. Like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you got my some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.